Hey guys, welcome back. It's Sunday. I only got a few hours to kill today. I do have to be at work here about 5 o'clock, so got about 3 hours to kill. Let's see what we can get done. I do want to get the hood off today so we can start ripping apart the engine. I do have somewhat of a helper today, so hopefully they'll be out here shortly and we can get this done, get the hood off, and start getting it tear apart a little bit more. So I do have the radiator that's actually out in the back of the car. I'll get that pulled out. Don't know if I'm gonna put it in yet. I might try to see if I can get this thing to turn over. We do gotta check the batteries, see what those are at. Still kind of debating on that, but I'm gonna rip the engine out anyway, so probably won't do it. Not sure yet, but we'll see what happens. So yeah, let's get started. So there's the new radiator. It's the Champion one. Couldn't beat it. It was about what was it, 302 delivered, so yeah, not bad at all. Yeah, prices have gone up a little bit. Ordered the wrong damn buckets for the taillights. Noticed that when I got them, so I got the new ones on order. Those are trash. New turn signal markers for the side. And my bolts for the hood rod support. Those are right there. What else do we got? We got the new hood latches in black, so all my accents are going to be black because I just happen to like it. I got some new markers. And what else do I got here? Oh, the new tailgate support chains. Ones we had were pretty shitty, so I just decided to order new ones just to do it. So, oh, don't want to lose those. Put all that shit back in there for now. So let's get to ripping this thing apart. I did notice the other day when I was out here cleaning stuff up that that's broke. So yeah, probably just gonna get rid of that anyways, because we are gonna put the hard top on it. And I believe the kit that I'm getting comes with the new C-pillar anyways, so I'm not too terribly worried about it. So we're just gonna take that off, and kind of looks like in a little bit of rough shape anyways. So yeah, but yeah, let's get to ripping more stuff off. Most of it's pretty much cleaned up now. All that stuff's going to come out anyway, so I'm not too worried about that. Yeah, let's get to it. You ready?
Maybe, yeah.
All right, turn around, say hi, Bree.
Hello.
She's my helper today. All right, let me grab a punch and a hammer. Hammer's already on the driver's seat if you want to grab that. And grab these just for shits and grins. Okay, so let me see this. Okay. Lock those onto the bolt right there. Nope, you have to do the whole handle. So I'm going to do these. Just like that. All right, let's get this side. Well, I fucked that one up.
The cotter pin just...
Yeah, it's the cotter pin snapped off. All right, pins are out. Hold on one second. Okay, so let's let me get the radiator out of the way. Okay, so yeah, let's just pick it up and set it right in front of the truck. Ooh, that's still.
There we go.
There we go. Okay. You're all right. That works. Let go. All right, it's off.
Front was a lot heavier than the back. I wasn't expecting that.
No, it's light as shit. So, yeah, obviously radiator's missing. Transmission cooler, I believe. So those are the pads that go right here
Oh, for the hood.
for the hood. Yeah, the hood.
Oh, so you've already had it off now.
I haven't had it off, no. I just had it propped open. So yeah, this transmission cooler is going to come off. This is your power steering cooler. All this shit's going to come off and get replaced because it's fucking trashed anyways. Oh, hey. Nice.
When was this taken out of?
I don't know when it was decommissioned.
I don't think it's a good idea.
There. I'll probably trip on the fucking thing. So yeah, I'm just gonna toss this. I'm gonna get a new coolers for this. I already got the new radiator, obviously sitting there.
What year is this?
It's a 2003. So, it'll start without the radiator. So I mean, actually, let's find out what the battery voltage is really quick. I did, but I didn't notice the batteries were disconnected, so didn't bother looking. Let's see what the batteries are at. One battery is about 9.5. And the other one's about half volt. So one battery is completely dead. It's not gonna work. Oh well. Yeah, I'd say that thing's trashed. Seen its better days. Shit can it goes. All right, let's get this one off. So this top one here is 15/16, and then the nut itself is 1 inch. That's loose. That's free. Okay, so that's just bypass there. All right. Rusty as hell. Get some new rubber for that. Let's get those off right there. Well, of course I didn't have the camera on for that one, but I was trying to make sure everything fit before I turned it on, but one good quick little snap and that came off. Snapped it in half. Great. Not a big deal. I'm gonna replace this thing anyways. It's a big hunk of shit. So let's see what that air filter looks like. Well, now you know why I named it Rustic Builds, because this thing is a giant rust bucket. See if I can pop that lid off. So, just need a new band clamp. That thing has seen its better days. That I can clean up and reuse, so I'm not too worried about that one. Oh, it actually looks pretty clean. Not bad. A little dirty in there, but let's see how well you guys can see. Not too bad. We'll take it out and clean it up anyway, so. Yeah. Seal's actually nice and spongy too, which is nice. It's actually not bad. Pretty good. All right, guys, it's I got to get going here. I got to go ref a couple hockey games tonight, so don't have much more else I can do, or else I'm going to be late. Got the hood off, which was what I really wanted to get done today, so I can see everything and just kind of get an idea of what it's going to take. I've never done this before. I typically don't work on cars. I typically work on airplanes, but hey, how hard can it be? I can turn a wrench and we'll see. So we'll catch you guys next week. Start ripping and tearing some more stuff, but until then, you guys be safe and see you then. Later.